Hello, I'm Gareth of Film and Photo. Today we are getting some footage of classic cars. Okay, so every year for the last few years, Sheringham Carnival have organised a classic car show in the town. So hundreds of old classic cars come in and fill the town up. So I'm going to be getting some footage for that, for a bigger project that I'm working on for the Sheringham Carnival, kind of showing what's going on in and around Sheringham. So I hope you like this little B-roll segment, and you'll probably see a bit more footage later on in another project. So that was the classic cars in Sheringham. I hope you enjoyed that little snippet of some amazing cars. I'd love to know your favourites in the comments. If you liked this video, hit the like button, and if you haven't already, hit subscribe. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.
Quality t-shirt, by the way, man.